Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first video of the new year. I'm so excited. Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2020 and I feel like this is gonna be our best year yet. So I ordered a blow dryer brush. I feel like everybody's already tried this brush, but I haven't ever tried it before, so I wanted to get it. I actually got it a while ago. I got it on a Black Friday because it had a really good sale on Amazon, but it's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. It's basically just like a blow drying brush, and I have never tried one of these before. I actually haven't put heat on my hair since I got my hair done at the salon, and that was like 8 months ago. And that was actually the only time I put heat on my hair all last year. All 2019, I only put heat on my hair one time, and that's really good. It beat my year before. 2018, I did it like a few times, but 2017, I think that was the year when I did the all year like no heat challenge. So I really haven't put that much heat on my hair. So I'm really happy about that. But this year, I feel like I'm just gonna kind of go with my mood. If I want to straighten my hair, I'm gonna do it, you know? Okay, so this is how it looks. The settings are right here. I'm going to be using a heat protectant today. This is the Tresemme Thermal Creations Heat Tamer, and it has a heat protection up to 450 degrees. So I'm going to be using this. So you're supposed to spray it on kind of damp hair, and I just washed and conditioned my hair. So I'm going to just go ahead and spray this on my hair. I've never used this before. It smells really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna start from the back. I'm just gonna go all the way and put it on high. So what I'm doing is I'm first detangling my hair with the brush. My hair should be already detangled because I detangled it in the shower, but I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle it, and then after it's detangled and I can run the brush smoothly through my hair, then I'll slowly run it through so it could really dry and smooth my hair. Once you just take your time and go slowly over the section, your hair will be so smooth. This brush, okay, y'all just watch.
I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's just if you only, so baby do it right, do me right. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even.
Okay, see right here you can totally see the difference because I didn't take my time the first time. But then once I saw how smooth I got my other side, I was like, okay, let me try it again. And then it just gets it so smooth. So far, I really like it. It's making blow drying my hair so much easier because I typically use like a round brush. I can't find it, but I typically use like a round brush in the blow dryer and do it like that, but just having it all in one makes it so easy, and then it goes like so easily through my hair. Okay, and now I'm just gonna continue the same thing all the way up. Okay, so I'm going to read to you all of the claims that the box says. So it says it's supposed to provide less heat-related damage, and then the ionic technology, it reduces frizz and enhances shine, and then it has a large paddle design which dries and smooths hair quickly, and then the detangling bristles help dry, smooth, and style hair, and then it has a lightweight ergonomic design for maximum comfort and ease of use, and then it's supposed to have maximum drying power, and then tangle-free drying in half the time. Which I do agree with. It probably did take me half the time that it usually would have taken me because it's so much easier to use than using a brush and a blow dryer at the same time. And then it also has a swivel cord, which I didn't realize whenever I was using it, but I see that now. And then it has a 4-year limited warranty. So this is a pretty good brush, y'all. What I noticed is I keep trying to like grab it by the handle, but this part actually gets really hot, so you have to like keep holding it down, not the handle, by the top, I don't know, the paddle part, but I keep wanting to like grab it up here, but you have to hold it like by the handle because this is obviously where all the hot air comes and it's just like really hot and I keep doing that. That just makes it so easy. Like, it's so easy. So after I blow dry my hair, I'm gonna make a separate video of me flat ironing my hair. So y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm just gonna continue, and I really am so obsessed with this brush, like already. Wait a minute. It even says it on like the instructions. Important notice. That's what I was just talking about. Can you guys see the picture?
Bruh.
Like, do not put your finger up here and hold it right there because it's freaking hot. It's hot. Obviously, it's a blow dryer. So. I wonder how big of a section I could do. I'm gonna try to do a kind of a big section to see how it does. I'm gonna do like all this. Okay, it's starting to get kind of big, so I'm actually gonna make that section a little bit smaller so I can get it really good. But it was easy to like get it through and like detangle it in this big section. But as I go, I want to really make sure it gets really smooth. So I'm just gonna like make this in half and just do like this much and then do this after. I'm loving these results. I would literally just wear my hair blow dried. It looks so good. You know what? I haven't tried it on low or cool heat, so I'm gonna just try these out really quick. Okay, that's cool. It's still hot. Okay, cool is still pretty warm, and then low is still hot, like high heat, but low like force, and then high is hot and a lot. Like hot and not. done. So the results are really good. If you can see, like my hair is so smooth. It's like really straight. Okay, so I love it. I mean, it's really good. What I would do first is I would go through and kind of detangle the section and then like slowly take my time and then go down like that. And then another thing is you gotta watch how you hold it because it's hot up here. And so you just gotta make sure you keep it down here. But like I was telling you want to do this or I don't know, but so you just hold it by the handle and that's really it. Oh, and the other thing is I noticed like it's kind of like poof, like it couldn't get it's like all the way to my scalp because it had like this much, you know, like typically with a blow dryer I would have it like really close all the way to my scalp basically. So the roots would not be, like my roots I can feel are still kind of wavy. But that's the only thing, but I'm gonna hit that with the flat iron, so it's not a big deal. But that's the only thing, it just doesn't get all the way to the scalp because, you know, the bristles, but it's still, I mean, it's still really close, but not all the way. I feel like I'm gonna be using it a lot. I just really like it. I don't really have anything negative to say about it. It worked really quickly. It was pretty gentle whenever I was detangling my hair, but I did detangle my hair in the shower whenever I was, when I conditioned my hair, I detangled it. But still, this thing was really gentle. There's not that much hair in it. Let me see, I'm gonna take it out to show how much hair it got. Like, not much. Can you even see it? There's like not much hair that came out of it. I love this thing. If you guys have it, if you guys have tried it, let me know how you guys like it. And if you haven't tried it, and you do blow dry your hair, I would say try it out. I'll leave a link to it in my description box. I got mine from Amazon, but I'm sure they sell them other places, so I'll see wherever it's the cheapest. And I'll put that in my description box down below so you guys can check it out. But I really do like this thing. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys and just try it. And it's really good. So I'm about to straighten my hair and I'm just gonna make that a different video. So you guys stay tuned for that. And I hope you like this video. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.